1 is a dividing problem, notice. So what I'm going to do for this question is I'm just going to take my calculator, take 8272 divided by 561 on my calculator. So 8272 divided by 561, I'm getting 14.745 blah, blah, blah. So you grab the 14 and you put it right there. Oh, wait a minute, I'm sorry, you're not seeing any of this. There we go. Sorry, my screen was freezing for some reason. Okay, so I took the number, the 8272 divided by 561, I got 14.745, and then I put the 14 right there. Okay, now the tricky part is how do we get the remainder? They don't mean the decimal. They mean like if you were long dividing, what would be the remainder? So let's just do that. Let's just say, hey, what if I was long dividing? What if I was long dividing 561, the smaller number into the bigger number, into 8272? If I was long dividing those numbers, how many times would 561 go in? Well, 14, right? 14 whole times. That's what that 14 means. When I divided on my calculator and I got 14 as a whole number, that means 561 goes in there 14 whole times. Well, okay, great. How do I find the remainder, though? Well, you have to multiply, don't you? Right? Isn't that what long division is about? We multiply 14 times 561 on your calculator. This is all, you can use your calculator, of course, for everything. So I'm getting 7854, and then we subtract 82, so I'm subtracting, and I'm getting 418. That's the remainder. That's what goes right there. That's what remains. In other words, when you take 8272 divided by 561, it goes in 14 whole times with 418 remaining. There we go. So I hopefully you have your lecture unit 2, homework 1, open right now, and you're able to crank through your examples. Questions I can answer on this one? Okay, how about I do one more just to be super clear? How about one more? Let me do this next part. I'm going to take the 12,657, so 12,657 divided by 509. So with my calculator, that 12,657 divided by 509, I'm getting 24.866 blah, 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 blah. So that means the 24, the whole number, goes right there. And then I've got to write it as a long division problem, right? So 509, what I'm long dividing is 50, the smaller number into the bigger, the 509 into 12,657. And how many times did it go in? It went in 24 whole times, right? And so then I multiply 24 times 509, right? 24 times 509, because that's what long division means. I'm getting 12,216. Whoops, sorry. And then I subtract to see what remains. I'm getting 441. 441 is the remainder. That's what remains. So 509 goes into 12,657 24 whole times, and 24 times 509 is 12,216, remainder 441, etc. So that is how you do number 1.